Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to Looplearnings, and I'm going to start a new series called How to Make Payroll Management System. And this has been requested a lot by few people, not a lot of people, although request me to or give suggestion. So a few people has requested to work on payroll management system, and here it is. But before I move ahead and I talk further about this, whatever we are going to cover, I would like to ask you if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and if you are interested in this series, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to make a payroll management system. What are we going to cover as part of the payroll management system? And these are few things that we are going to cover. So for example, we'll be covering employee management, basically creating a profile for each employee and keeping the record of their documents. And then we will have compensation management module will have the information such as the basic pay, the allowances, the TADAs, whatsoever. That also will be covered under the compensation module. Compensation management module will also have the grading structure. So most of the companies nowadays, they have the grading structure, so grade A, grade B, or grade 1 to grade 10, whatsoever it is. And for each grade, the level of benefits, the salary packages are different according to the pay scale is different according to the compensation management grade structure. So that we are going to build as part of the compensation management. Then we will have leave management as well. So leave management is very important. This will be as part of the deduction management. So basically we will see if there are unauthorized leave that employees have taken, so we will deduct that amount of money from their earning. And talking about earning, we will be having the earnings module as well. Of course, this is just the basic information I'm giving. We will be covering a lot of stuff when it comes to making an actual system. So do let me know whatever you wish to see in this series. Do let me know in the comments below. I would be happy to get your suggestions as well. Plus, I would like to mention that whatever I showcase on my channel, all of that is based on my understanding about the topic. It does not necessarily mean that this is how it should be done. No, you can do it on your own way, or you can follow the conventional method of doing this stuff. But on my channel, I will always show you whatever is the whatever I think I understand. So I might be wrong in some areas, I might be right in some areas. So please, when you're watching my video, when you're watching videos on my channel, make sure that you have this thing in your mind, that you are purely learning the concepts. The actual reality, you can build your applications based on your understanding according to your requirement as well. So I'm very happy for this series. I hope that you are happy too. So do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. And do let me know in the comments below what else you are looking for to have in this application.